scientists you are. You all voted for the same beliefs and showed that you care.
Wow, superb. Wow.
Herzlich willkommen im deutschen Pavilion. Welcome to Campus Germany.
Our world is quite old. Many incredible forces have created and shaped our planet for millions and billions of years. When, all of a sudden, life began. And life set out to evolve through countless iterations, full of little successes and all-changing accidents. Until, at some point, we came along. Seemingly within a blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet ourselves, fitting it best to our needs. Which is why we call this era the Anthropocene, the age of humankind. Unfortunately, some of our plans had no regard for other creatures or the planet itself. Today, our leading role and our impact raise a lot of questions. How will we generate our energy in the future? How will we protect the biodiversity? And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and immerse yourself in 100,000 ideas for a better future.
No dawaj.
Please use the audio. ഇതൊരു വീഡിയോ പോഡിയാണ്, ഹെഡ്സെറ്റാണ് ഈ സാധനം. ഇത് നമ്മൾ ചെവിയിൽ ചെയിൻ സെൻസർ ടാഗ് ലൈൻ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ പേര് കാണിച്ച് ഫുൾ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് അവർ പറഞ്ഞു തരുന്നുണ്ട്. ഹലോ, നമ്മളെ പേരൊക്കെ സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അടിപൊളി. എൻ്റെ സെൻസർ ടാഗ് ഇട്ടുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ പേരൊക്കെ സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. യെസ്, മുഹമ്മദ് അർഫാത്ത്.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the graduation hall. Your journey is almost complete.
But before you leave, there's one last thing worth sharing.
Our planet is in constant motion. It is constantly changing. And more than ever before, it's being changed by us.
At the same time, we know that something is not running the way it should.
Take a look around.
With you, the world is sitting in this room.
എൻ്റെ പേര് കാണിക്കും.
You all come from the most
പേരൊക്കെ അവിടെ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
And as different as you are, you all voted for the same beliefs and showed that you care.
Wow, super.
During your journey through the campus, you all voted for sustainability, responsibility.
You all have voted for a world worth living in. That's your dream, my dream.
And still, sometimes we feel powerless. And you're right. It's hard to change the world alone.
But we don't have to. Let's try a little experiment. As we think the same way, we can move the same way.
Look, you're not stuck any longer. Let's move together and inspire the people around us to move as well.
Move towards your beliefs to reach a better future.
Wow.
And it takes you, and each and every one of you, to inspire, to connect, and to keep moving.
Thank you.
This is very nice.